guests come in at 10 o'clock, so I'm basically running late. So yeah guys, let's go. I want to have breakfast. I am super hungry. Let us go. We're going to Silo, so let's go. Hey guys, so I'm actually driving to the place. Well, I'm not driving, my man's is. So I'm going to the place, and I said I'm 5 minutes away. Well, I don't I don't think that I'm too far, because I think I live just this way. I think I live just like 5 minutes away from the V&A, so I should get there in time. So I should get there in time and for my breakfast, but I am running super late. I wouldn't be surprised. Yes, right, I wouldn't be surprised if I get there and they say that it is closed, which means I would be going for lunch. What's up? Alone. Yeah, I'm going for lunch alone. Yeah, ukanye for breakfast alone. I'm not sure what I'm having at the moment because I am super late. So yeah, I'll see when I get there. Hey guys, guess what? Guess who is late? Me. So they closed their breakfast section and also the menu, so they'll only start serving food at 12 o'clock. So I think I'm just gonna have coffee here and then I'll walk probably to Life Grand because I don't think I can wait until 12 o'clock. The time now is just before 11 o'clock. It's 10:58. So I'm probably gonna go to Tasha's or Life Grand. I'll see, or maybe Mug and Bean. Yeah, maybe Mug and Bean. I'll go there and probably have like breakfast that side because I feel like 12 o'clock is far-fetched for me at the moment. And I also had, let me show you, I also had a look at their lunch menu, which they're starting at 12 o'clock, and mostly they've got like what do they have? They've mostly got like sandwiches and salad and what, nothing really that I am interested in. So that's why I think that I'm gonna go to Life Grand or what's this place, or Tasha's, and see what they have. Then yeah, I'll decide from there. But yeah, I'm just gonna have coffee and then move along because I cannot wait until 12 o'clock. It's not my cup of tea, so I'm not gonna wait. Hey guys, so I actually didn't show you my outfit for today, but this is my outfit for the day. I'm wearing this lovely top. Ooh, I don't know what the top is called, and I'm wearing these tights with these frills at the bottom, and I'm wearing my shoes, and I'm carrying my armor bag. So yeah, this is my look for the day. This is the look for the day. Let us go and have breakfast, hopefully, because I feel like having something with eggs. I don't want to have anything that does not have eggs. So yeah guys, let us go and have lunch or breakfast. Let's go. I love my outfit. It's the outfit for me. Hey guys, so I am finally at Life Grand. So I have found what I wanted, like breakfast and egg-based breakfast. That's what I wanted. So I'm just here by myself, and it looks like everyone over here is here with their significant other, their friends, family, and everything like that. I am the only one that is here alone, and I'm enjoying my own company. Like literally the scenery is allowing everything, the birds, the sea, like the scenery is everything for me, and the restaurant Life Grand is vibey. So yeah guys, we're just here to enjoy life, and so I'm having champagne by myself. So clink clink, you guys are my date for the day, so cheers to us, cheers to the good life, cheers to everything good, cheers to greener pastures. It's just a vibe here. Yes. Life Grand is always a vibe. It's just that today I feel like it's during the week and people are not here. So yeah, but kumandi man, kumnandi upuma wedwa. Like I feel like kawamba wedwa, like when you're alone in places, it's just like you're looking at the scenery, you're not focusing on people. It's just you, the scenery, the environment, and enjoyment. So yes, thank you. In London, any money that I have, I think it's na enjoyment. Any money, don't worry about my future. Cheers to that. I'm joking, I'm worried about my future. I'm not worried, but hey. Also guys, the weather in Cape Town is permitting everything. Today it's just a chill day, like the sun is out to play, there is no wind or anything like that. Mostly like whenever it's sunny in Cape Town there's always wind, but today I feel like it's just a chill day. It's nice, it's warm, and yeah, it's the scenery for me, it's everything. The weather today is permitting everything. I'm probably gonna go to the beach a bit later because hey, the sun is out to play, and probably a bit later in the day people are going to be at the beach, but I don't want to go like now because I know that if I go at this particular moment it's going to be packed at the beach. So I'm going to go like, let's say anything between 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, I'll do that. So yeah guys, I'm just here to enjoy life. Hey guys, so I'm actually done at Life Grand, done with my breakfast. So at the moment I am going to Mr. Price, and also at home I'm looking for a white vase for my living room. So yeah, I'm going to check that out if they have it. If they don't, then we move along and I'll go home. Hopefully they have something for me in the store. But yeah guys, that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to Mr. Price home. Hey guys, I'm back in the house now. I just came from the VNA. Breakfast was great and everything was great, but I am super tired. Like this morning I woke up at 5 o'clock because I had to create other videos. So I was trying to complete those particular videos. I'm doing 2 videos besides this particular one, so I had to finish them in the morning. And then around about I think 8 o'clock I started preparing for my breakfast. So I took a shower, did my makeup, and after that I had to go, and it was already like 10 o'clock. So when I got there, you guys saw the situation. The breakfast was already over, or the kitchen was closed. So yeah, I went to Life Grand, and Life Grand was great as usual. Everything was good. And then I also went to At Home, and also went to Mr. Price and H&M and Woolies. So I'm trying to find a vase, like a white vase. I feel like the reason why I haven't done like a house tour, because so many of you guys have been requesting it, the reason why I haven't done it is because I haven't found like a vase that I like, also pedestals that I like. So I'm looking for a very specific vase. I'm looking for like a large vase in a white color, or yeah, in a white color. I want it to be white specifically. And I'm looking for pedestals, but I'm not sure as to what exactly I want. I haven't seen anything that I like, so I feel like that's why I haven't done a house tour. But if I can't find the vase, then I'm gonna find something that is alternative so that I do the house tour. I'll insert a picture over here what I saw at Mr. Price Home. That is exactly what I want, but they don't have white in it. So if you guys know where I can get this particular vase but in a white color, please let me know where I can get it. So yeah guys, I think that's the only reason why I haven't done this particular video. So yeah, I'm feeling a bit tired. Like I'm feeling a bit tired because I woke up early in the morning. Now the time is just after 3 o'clock. Like I want to take a nap, then later on go to the beach and maybe go to Table Mountain or Signal Hill. Between the two, I feel like I just want to be outside today so that I can finish this vlog. I don't want this vlog to be more than one day. That's why I want to do it today and finish it today. Oh, I also got a package today. Well, I got a few stuff from Takealot, but I'm not quite sure what has arrived today. So maybe let's unbox that particular package and see what is inside. I am hoping it is my glue and also my wig, wig head, whatever you want to call it, or wig canvas, that's what it's called. So yeah, I'm hoping it's those particular ones, hopefully. Yeah guys, let's see what I got. I haven't opened the box, so yeah, let's see what's inside the box. Okay guys, let's open the package. So I just want you to see that this package is sealed, so I haven't opened it. I'm showing you guys both sides. It's sealed. I hope it is what I think it is, because if it is not, then I do not know. Hi and yes, I do not know. Like manyanyan, I hope lento. It is what I am hoping for. At least I want both the things, like the hair products that I ordered from them. Let's see what. Oops. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay, I got both of these things, guys, what I wanted. Okay, so this is the head. That's so cool. It's cool that I got them both at the same time, like the hair things that I ordered. And I also got this glue. I also got this. It's Ghost Bond XL. Is it XL? Classic. Yeah. This is it. Apparently this works like magic. This works like magic. I can't wait to use it. I cannot wait to use this. And also this head, apparently it is much effective and efficient, so I hope it does the things that it is supposed to do. Also, I want to test if needles is on the other side, so let's check that out. Okay, cool. So I found the needle kit, so I want to see if it's gonna go through, because then if it does not, then it must go back to Chocolate. I do not want to buy for free and I dead. That one is not about to happen to me. And those are Ziyanda Mlakalaka. Ow, ow, ow. I just want to see. Oh wow, guys. Wow, can you see that? Can you see that? I cannot wait to use this. Oh wow, 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 wow. This is so cool because now I'm going to be able to do my own wig. Well, I have been doing my own wig, but like I feel like this one is going to make my work so much easier. And yeah, it's going to make everything easier than what I'm currently using, than the canvas that I'm currently using, because that one is a doll, and this one I feel like you can do everything on here. So I cannot wait to use this particular one. Yeah guys, I'll see you when I'm going to the beach or when I'm going to Table Mountain. I'm not sure if I'm doing them both today or I am going to separate them. I'm not quite sure, but whatever it is that I'm going to do today or tonight, I will go with you. So yeah guys, see you then. Bye. Hey guys, I found myself at Live Run again. Apparently we're going on a boat cruise. It's in the evening now, and yeah, we're just having, I think, lunch or something like that. So our boat cruise is supposed to start at like, I think 5 or 6 o'clock. So we're just waiting on the guys here. It's just the ladies. So I'm just chilling with the ladies, and then we will go. So you guys want to say hi to my vlog? Hi. Okay, they're so busy. Okay guys, they're super busy. And also Life Brand at this hour is very busy. So yeah, it's busy. Shall I show you? It's such a vibe. It's not like in the morning. If I knew but I'm gonna go out in the evening, then I wouldn't have come here in the morning. But hey, oh, also there are a couple of people that I met, and I do not even know them. Brazil, I'm wondering, but because Brazil. Let me just show you guys like the scenery here, or how packed it is now. Let me show you. Hey guys, we are here. No. Hey guys.
I know you won't miss the video shots.
I definitely won't.
Hi. Inside now.
Okay guys, so we're here. Hey, being in a yeah, so I'm gonna go up. Okay, look at this. So I'm gonna go. Hey guys, I was still apologizing. I came here in the morning and I said to you I'm going to the mountain today and also the beach. But we should take plans got to myself on a boat cruise. Abanye abantu basesizantsi thina we're just having the time of our life. Apha phezulu. This is my man. Baby, do you want to say hi? Hi. Hey guys, I just woke up from a very busy day yesterday. So I did not anticipate my day to be that busy yesterday. In the morning, I went for breakfast, and in the afternoon, my partner decided, okay, let's go for a boat cruise and also lunch. And then afterwards, we went to a friend's place at a hotel because he just arrived in South Africa. So we went to his hotel and we had like a buffet there. I did not shoot that. I don't know why. Like, it was like Nigerian food. There were friends, and yeah, friends, girlfriends, everything like that. So we chilled there for a bit, and then afterwards we went to the club. Did not anticipate my day to be that busy, because I thought I would just go for breakfast and then after that probably go to the beach, also the mountain. But wow, it took a short curve. So yeah guys, but I enjoyed yesterday. The only part that I did not enjoy was the club, because I am not a club person. I don't enjoy being at the club. But I went there nevertheless because I did not want to be a party pooper, because all the other ladies were there, the guys were there, the partners were there, the husbands were there. So since we were there together, I just thought, okay, you know what, let me just sacrifice this one night and just go to the club. Got to the club, and I'm telling you, 30 minutes in, I was already tired. Abanye abantwana were popping bottles like kumnandi champagne, when Vivrage, when Dom Perignon, when like there's everything, ace of spade. But sana guys, yo, the club is just not my cup of tea. Yo, the thing that kills me about going to the club is the loud music. Yo, I can't function. I really can't function in that place. It's just not my cup of tea. So like 30 minutes to an hour in, I wanted to go home because I felt like anyone who is sitting there can see, but this girl is really bored. Like, oh, bored now, she is so bored. She is not into this. So yeah, so we arrived at home just after 11 o'clock. I slept and woke up this morning, took a shower. Now we're going to Atlantis Duke and Dune. I think it's Atlantis Dune. So yeah, we're going to Atlantis Dune, and yeah guys, let's go. Let's see what's in it for today. I also did not plan this day, so I'm doing things that I did not even plan, I did not even know of. I'm just going because yeah, so many requests. Let's go here. I'm just moving. Let's go now. Okay, cool. Guys, see you when I get to Atlantis Dune. I'll see you there. Bye. Hey guys, we are now on the road to Atlantis Dune. But we started from Burgundy and now we are going to Parklands because we're picking up friends. So yeah, and then after that we're just heading straight to Atlantis Duke. I feel like I'm always late when I'm going there, so we literally have like 15 minutes to get there, but on my side it says that we need 28 minutes to get there. So yeah, we're gonna get there late obviously, but yeah, so yeah, we're still going. It is what it is. It is what it is. Baby, do you want to play your music?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, bye guys. Hey guys, we are finally here. We actually made it on time. It's now 1:13, so 2 minutes before quarter past. So yeah, we made it on time. I'm just going to the guys now to make a payment, and then afterwards we can go. There is 6 of us, but only 5 of us are going because Joy is pregnant, so she can't go. So yeah, it was just the 5 of us. Hey guys, we just finished at Atlantis Duke. There's a bus that side, baby. We just finished at Atlantis. We're now going home. Dilambile at the very same time. But do you know what Dilambile means, Gant?
What does it mean?
I'm hungry.
Is that what you just said?
Yeah, I thought you were repeating after me. Yeah, guys, we're going home, and then yeah, I'll see what I'll do when I get home. But I want to close this vlog off because wow, the festivities is now. In fact, let me close this vlog, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Also, please don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Until next time, it is peace from me. Bye. Dine sun, baby, I've got sand all over me. I had to do this thing to this vest of mine because it kept on falling off when I was driving the scooter. So yeah, I had to do this to my top because then my boobs kept on showing.
Hope you didn't forget anything there.
Well, no, I don't think so. It's my water that fell off, and that's it. So yeah guys, thank you for tuning in. I will see you in the next video. Bye.